Good morning, students. Today's topic is latent heat and their types. The concept of latent heat can be described in 1762 by British chemist Joseph Black. So next coming to what is latent heat. Latent heat is defined as the amount of heat absorbed or released when a substance or a matter changes its physical state completely at constant temperature. It means this process is take place from changes of state from one state to another state at constant temperature. The latent heat can be expressed in joules per kilogram or kilojoules per moles. During transformation of changes in matter, there is some amount of heat can be liberated or absorbed by the matter. There are different types of latent heat can be observed during changes of matter. There are latent heat of fusion and second one is latent heat of vaporization. First coming to latent heat of fusion. It is defined as latent heat of fusion is defined as heat absorbed when a solid melts at a constant temperature to convert it into liquids. It is also defined as it is the amount of heat absorbed when a liquid is converted into solid at a constant temperature. During this process, some amount of heat can be absorbed by the matter, so it is a endothermic process. During these changes, solid particles are absorb the heat from the source to break the attractive forces between molecules. The latent heat of fusion of water is 79.7 calories per grams. During melting, heat absorbed is used to break the bonds between the particles, and these particles are moving each other and vibrating each separately. Next one, latent heat of vaporization. It is the amount of heat required to convert a liquid into vapors at constant temperature, or it is the amount of heat absorbed by the vapors to convert it into liquids. During this process, temperature cannot be changed. So during this process, some amount of energy or heat can be released. So this process is called as exothermic process. Latent heat of vaporization of water is 540 calories per grams. When a liquid is converted into vapors, the liquid is absorbed amount of energy from the heat to break the forces between all particles. In this process, all particles interaction forces can be breaks, so particles are move freely and individually moves. When the liquid can be boiled to completely break the bonds of the particles, and these processes works against atmospheric pressure to gases are expand easily. This is a process. For understanding the latent heat of process, then plot a graph in between heat absorbed or energy supplied is taken on x-axis and degrees centigrade is taken on y-axis. In the A indicates solids, B indicates liquids, solid and liquid state, C state indicates liquid, D state indicates solid liquid plus gases, E indicates completely converted into gases. In the initial stage, solid particles are held together by tightly. It gains energy from the surroundings and to break the bonds between particles and vibrate in their fixed position and gaseous spreads. After temperature can be increases, it can be converted into solid and liquids. In this state, solid begins to melt. Latent heat of fusion is absorbed by the solid and these molecules are freely moved in their position. In this state there are molecules are freely moved. It can reach the liquids. The liquid temperature is raised and molecules begin to freely moves randomly. After it can be absorbed the heat, it will contains the state contain liquid and gaseous state. The liquid start to boils. It will reaches the boiling temperature. It will directly converted into gases. The latent heat of vaporization is absorbed the liquids. Next, the final state is gas. The liquid vaporizes completely into gases. What is specific latent heat? It is the amount of energy required to change the phase of 1 kg of the substance at a constant temperature. Specific latent heat of can be expressed in capital L. It can be calculated by using following formula. Capital L is equal to Q by M. L is equal to Q by M. In above equation, L is specific latent heat absorbed by the or released by the substance for phase transmission or phase transition. M means mass of the substance. The units for specific heat constant is joules per kilograms in SI units. The amount of heat required to change the phase of the substance mainly depending on mass and type of materials of substance. These are some examples of specific latent heat of fusion and specific latent heat of vaporization of some compounds: water, ethanol, ethanoic acid, chloroform, mercury, sulfur, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. Specific latent heat of fusion means it is the amount of energy required to conversion of a solid into liquids. It is the amount of energy required to change the 1 kg of solid into liquid phase at a constant temperature. Next one, specific latent heat of vaporization is defined as it is the amount of heat required to change the 1 kg of substance from liquid to gaseous state without changing their temperature. During specific latent heat of fusion and latent heat of vaporization, temperature cannot be changed. Only phase transmission can be take place. SI units for latent heat of specific latent heat is joules per kilograms. Heat needed to change the one phase to another phase can be expressed by using following equation. Q is equal to ml, where Q is equal to amount of energy required to change the phase from one state to another state. L means specific latent heat. M means weight of the substance. If the heat is supplied by using electric heater, the following equation can be calculated for using specific latent heat. Q is equal to Pt, where Q is equal to amount of energy supplied and P is equal to power and time. So therefore Pt is equal to, by substituting there above, combining two above equations, Pt is equal to ml. Thank you.